What's up everyone and welcome to the club. The response to last week's custom shoe giveaway was so incredible, so today I'll be creating a custom Air Force One in the theme of Shenron from Dragon Ball. Stick around to the end because I'll be giving this pair away. I hope you enjoy the video. And that's pretty much it. There's the custom Air Force One Shenron edition. If you want a chance at winning this pair, make sure you subscribe and send me a message on Instagram with your shoe size. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.